Hello, welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So we want to make x the subject from this equation, right? So simply want to express x in terms of these other variables, right? To be the subject of this equation. So simply solution. So from here, you have to take the whole. You can see that we have x minus 4, all raised to power 2. So we have to keep everything one side first and place this and take it to this side. And if this changes and crosses the sign of equality, changes to minus, right? So from this, we have what? Y minus 6 is equal to what? X minus 4 squared. Yeah. So from here, what do we do next? You take square root of both sides. Alright, so and if you take square root of both sides, we have what? Square root of y minus 6 equal to x minus 4. Because the square root of any number raised to power 2 is that number. So the square root of x minus 4 raised to power 2 is x minus 4. Alright, so from this is very simple. You bring this to this side again, you have what? Square root of y minus 6 plus 4 equal to x. As simple as that. Alright? But remember your square root ends here. Your square root ends here. Right? So you don't have any roots in this 4. Right?